Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the project so text-to-speech works predictably. Import your media and the written script text into media. Make sure your timeline frame rate matches export settings. Once done, place the clip where narration belongs and set the playhead at the exact start point. You do this because timing and clip gaps affect TTS placement. Make sure auto-normalize audio is off for now. It prevents unexpected loudness changes when you add synthetic voice. Now you generate and fine-tune the TTS. Open Filmora's text-to-speech panel, pick language and a voice that suits your scene, then paste the script. Adjust speed and pitch so words land naturally. Preview several times and change short segments rather than entire files to save time. Once satisfied, export the clip to the timeline and nudge it so phonemes match speaker lips and on-screen cuts. If needed, split TTS into phrases to add micro-pacing and breath sound. Finish by blending and testing. Lower background music when narration plays using audio ducking or manual keyframes. Aim for around -10 to -18 dB under voice so dialogue remains clear. Add light EQ or room reverb to match scene acoustics and trim trailing breaths. Export a short sample and listen on headphones and speakers. If the voice mispronounces names or numbers, edit the source text with phonetic spelling or hyphens and regenerate only that segment. This fixes the issue without redoing the whole track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.